Summary writing, passage 11. Now we shall start reading the passage. We are what we eat. Okay, this is a very good thought. Okay, we are what we eat. यानी हम जो खाना खाते हैं वैसे हम होते हैं. The type of food we eat has both immediate and long-term effect. So in the next sentence, I will write immediate and long-term effect on us. At all the three levels, the body, the mind, and the spirit. Okay, so it affects the body, the mind, and the spirit. Food which is tamasic, that is stale, yani shir, leftover, bacha hua, in nature is bound to generate stress. So the next point is tamasic food generates stress as it tends to upset the normal functioning of the human body. Fresh food, whenever available, must be preferred. Okay, so fresh food, whenever available, must be preferred. That means eat fresh food. Excessive use of condiments should be avoided. So what is the main point? Condiments avoided. Okay, avoid condiments. How much condiments? Excess. Taking piping hot tea or milk or steaming hot food also disturb one's usually calm attitude. So that means you should avoid steaming hot food, or what we can say food, or we can write drink. Okay, tea and milk it is written, we can write over here drink. Further, it is a mistaken belief that smoking and drinking, even in moderation, relieves stress. Simple meals, that means it is a mistaken belief that it removes that stress, means it does not remove the stress. So you must avoid smoking and drinking. Simple meals with one or two food items rather than too many dishes are advisable. Advisable means ये आपको करना है, you need to do this. What we need to take? Simple meals with one or two food items. Thus, vegetarian diet is preferable. Now what we should do? We should eat vegetarian diet. Although it is customary to serve the fruits with food, it is not the right thing to do. What does it imply? That don't serve. What I will write here? It is not right thing. That means don't serve fruit with food. This is because different kinds of digestive secretions are produced by the stomach for variant foods. Mixing up too many varieties of food items at one meal creates unavoidable problems for the digestive system. That means, what does it imply? That don't mix. Okay, it implies that don't mix up too many varieties of food items at a meal. Now, if you read the passage very carefully, okay, if you read the whole passage, we come to know that the writer is talking about, first line he says, we are what we eat. हम वो बनते हैं जो हम खाते हैं, and it has effect on the body, mind and spirit. So, see, whenever in the passage language is used like that, it should be preferred, ये आपको ज़्यादातर पसंद करना चाहिए, or it is advisable for you, or it is you are mistaken, like that. That means he is talking about do's and don'ts. ये आपको करना चाहिए और ये आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. Only the thing is that he uses different phrases to make you, or to make you like read it, okay, to compose a passage. Is that clear? So what this passage refers to, some of the things, some rules are there, or you can write some do's and don'ts or some rules. Why all these rules are there? For eating. So in brief, what I understand through the passage is that first, we are what we eat. Second, the food has immediate and long-term effect on the body, the mind and the spirit. So, we must follow a few rules. कुछ rules follow करने चाहिए. Then what is the first rule? Don't eat tamasic food as it generates stress. First one. Next is eat fresh food. Now what is do's में और कौन सा है? Eat fresh. We can include this also. We eat fresh and vegetarian food. Okay. Next is avoid excessive condiments. Avoid steaming hot food and drink. Avoid smoking and drinking. Avoid mixing up too many varieties of food items at one meal. Now, instead of saying again and again avoid, we will write avoid once and put a comma in between. So, in this way, we shall brief the passage and we shall write the summary of the passage. Now, I will start writing. So, my first sentence will be, we are what we eat. Yes, it has. Or if I say eating, eating has. Or I would say the food has. Okay, the type of food we eat. Okay, eating. Or you better say the food. Okay, we shall write the food has immediate and long-term effect on our body, comma, mind, comma, and the spirit. Full stop. Okay. To be healthy, if we want to be healthy, we must follow, if you want to write follow, some rules. Now over here you can change the words. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो some rules, or you can write a few rules, or you can write a few do's and don'ts. हे करा आणि हे करू नका. Now I will write don't. Okay, don't have tamasic food. Don't have tamasic food as it generates stress. The next, eat fresh and vegetarian diet. Full stop. Next, avoid. Now what to avoid? Avoid excess condiments. Okay, comma. What to avoid? Avoid smoking, comma. Drinking. Okay, drinking, comma. And what is that? Okay, food. Avoid mixing up too many varieties of food items at one meal. Okay, you can write at one meal. और क्या avoid करना है? Comma. What is that? Smoking, drinking. Okay, avoid what? Steaming hot food and drink. Okay, yes, one thing has written don't serve. Okay, full stop we shall keep. Want to write separate, you can write separate. Okay, don't serve fruit with food. Is that okay? That means we have included all the points, okay, in brief. Instead of writing the words again and again, or expressing the words, okay, in a longer way. जैसे कि मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि यह ना आपने अगर रोज अगर पढ़ाई की तो आपके लिए ये बहुत ही भला हो जाएगा. इससे अच्छा मैं क्या कहूंगी, रोज पढ़ाई करो. Like that it is. Okay, so I have summed up. Now what will be the title? Okay, what can be the title? See, this is one proverb. We are what we eat. So this is a very famous proverb. Okay, very famous thought. So we can give this as a title, or we can write food dash health. Okay, food and dash health, they are very connected with each other. Or you can write good eating habits, like this title you can give. So in this way, you should make the rough draft. See, here I have done the fair one. We are what we eat. Food has immediate and long-term effect on our body, mind and spirit. To keep healthy, we must follow some do's and don'ts about eating habits. Don't eat tamasic food as it generates stress. Eat fresh, vegetarian and simple meal with 1 or 2 food items. So all the do's I have included in this. Avoid excess condiments, steaming hot food, smoking, drinking. Don't serve fruit with food. Don't mix variety of food items. So all the do's and don'ts, or all the rules, okay, whichever have been given into the passage, I have covered everything in this. So with that, we stop over here. Thank you.